Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a good trading week. If you enjoy any part of this video, feel free to drop it a like and subscribe for more content. Today we'll be looking at the trading results for Center EA, a free forex trading robot on MetaTrader 4. Center EA is a robot for AutoTrading working with price action and a cost averaging grid. I've already made a tutorial on how to download and install Center EA, so let's take a closer look at the results and adjustments I have made to my settings over the last 4 weeks. On my MetaTrader 4, I've been running the robot on a low latency VPS on a $1,000 cent account. On display, we have the Euro USD on the 1-minute chart with the 200 EMA and ATR attached. If you want to visually see all your trades on MT4, you either have to individually drag them to the chart or install a free indicator like mytrades in pips. mytrades in pips is a trading tool that displays all trades deals in the chart with the symbol it is attached to. It also prints the number of pips in profit or loss. To attach this trading tool, simply going to drag it to the chart. You do have different options available under the Inputs tab. However, let's keep it on default and take a closer look. Here we have the indicator displayed on the chart. The only change I am going to make is the display position on the chart. To do this, under Inputs, I'm going to change Show Total Results in Corner to Top Right. And you'll see that the indicator has moved the display position to the top right corner. Next, we are going to take a closer look at the different trades placed by Center EA over the past 4 weeks. To do this, I'm going to change the time frame. Please note that AutoTrading is disabled, otherwise this would affect the bot. On the hourly chart, it will be easier to find the trades placed by the expert advisor over the past 4 weeks. The first set of trades that were placed by the expert advisor on the 12th of September was a loss. What you do when your account makes a loss really makes a difference to your trading. Studying your trading journal and statistics will teach you where the limitations of a specific trading system lie. If you understand these limitations of a system, it could give you an edge trading in the market. On the 15-minute chart, we can take a closer look at the first loss. You see a slow uptrend cycle where the expert advisor struggled as the price didn't return back to the mean. After this loss, I only started trading with this expert advisor during specific times of the day, and the reason is the following. The next couple of trades all closed in a profit, and during this time, you'll see that the ATR was either in an upslope or higher than usual. Remember, the ATR shows the change in pips during the last 14 periods. This made me realize the expert advisor performs well during highly volatile periods or periods of high ATR. Next, we are going to take a look at the updated settings that have been using to get these results. To do this, I'm going to reattach the EA to the chart as I have removed it to make this recording. This means I'm simply going to load the set file that I've been trading for the past 4 weeks. Let's take a look. The changes I've made to the set file from the previous video are the following. Firstly, I have changed the lot selection type from fixed to balance lot. This means the bot will adjust the lot size according to the account balance. I have left the multiplier at 1 so additional trades taken in the grid are all the same size. Next, trading days are still the same, with Trade Friday set to false. The take profit is still at 5, which will automatically adjust for the account balance. I have also updated the stop loss according to the new lot size that is being calculated by the expert advisor. Another major change I've made is the news filter strategy. Firstly, minutes after news, I've increased from 60 minutes to 90 minutes. I have also changed the types of news affecting the filter from all news to only medium and high impact news. The reason for doing this is bigger news events usually have a longer time filtering through the market, so I wanted to give the EA a bit more time before placing a trade. On the other hand, for the news importance, for my trading plan, I only take major news event into consideration, so I adjusted it from all to medium_high news only. The last two filters, the additional and higher time frame filters, have been left unchanged. The backtest for any expert advisor should be seen as a guide to start trading a bot in the live market, as there will be differences between the backtest and live trading. If you monitor the EA closely during testing and trading, you'll find ways to adjust it to make it more profitable. In the next section, we are going to take a look at some more advanced statistics. To do this, I'm going to myfxbook account linked to this expert advisor. myfxbook is a great way of keeping track of different statistics like gain, drawdown, etc. for multiple accounts in one place. We had a return of 2.63% with a drawdown of only 1.23%. It is easier to compare different systems using percentages rather than dollar amounts. myfxbook also has different charts displaying growth, balance, profit, and drawdown. You will see under trading periods that we had a win rate of about 50% for the first month. And below this, we have the more advanced statistics. The average win is $111.27, with the average loss of only $69.66. We had a profit factor of 1.57, and Center EA placed a total of 131 trades during this period, with a future expectancy of $20.11 per trade. Under advanced statistics, you also have different tabs available, like summary, hourly, and daily. Hourly and daily show your winners versus your losers during specific periods and days. In the next tab, you also have your risk of ruin for your account. Duration shows the average length of holding the trade for a profit or loss. If you also want to display your results like this, I have created a tutorial showing you how to link your MT4 trading account to myfxbook. myfxbook can really help new and established traders improve their trading with these advanced statistics. The set file that I've been using is saved in the link under the video description. This means you can simply download it and use it as you want. Feel free to adjust it according to your own trading plan and preferences. For the best trading results, I recommend using a reliable VPS system for your automated trading software. A low or raw spread account can affect your profits, so make sure to find the best account type. Lastly, low latency. Order execution speed can really make a big difference when it comes to high frequency bots. If you have any questions about this video, just leave them in the comments below. And if you haven't already, feel free to drop a like, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and happy trading. Bye.